Hey, it's Tim and Shana from Punk Rope, and today we're going to address jump rope beginner mistake number 5, which is called stargazing, basically looking up. So your head position is really critical in terms of your jump rope success. Now you can see Shana's gazing out at eye level, and while that's often optimal, what happens with a lot of folks is they start to look up. So let's see if Shana can just jump with her good posture first, and you'll see her head being level.
Good enough posture.
Good enough. Good enough posture. Okay. So pretty level. Maybe she's looking slightly down. Several meters ahead. All right. Now, it's a known fact that where the head goes, the body will follow. So if you look way down, for example, your shoulders will start to slouch forward. Of course, your neck will come down and your arms may drop, and that could cause some problems, but not as many as looking up. So now Shana's going to go from her basic jumping posture to her stargazing posture, and we're going to see what happens. Alright, she's starting to look up, and as she's looking up, her hands are starting to go behind her hips, her chest is opening, and her weight is more on her heels. Now that wasn't super exaggerated, but what's going to happen for most of you is as you do that, as you look up, you're going to travel backwards. So it'll be very difficult to increase your speed. It'll be difficult to do double unders and multiple unders. You're going to miss more frequently, and you're going to tire. Your neck specifically is going to get tired and breathing will be compromised. So the best way to figure this out is to have a friend or a coach watch you, preferably videotape you, and then also you can start to develop better body awareness yourself. And just, if you've got a mirror in front of you and you can't see the mirror, well then more than likely you're looking up, right? You're looking over it. If you can see your gaze in the mirror, you're probably looking straight ahead. So let's see if we can fix it. We'll go from stargazing. Shana's looking up. She probably can't see herself at all. Now she starts to adjust her head. Now she can see herself. Yay! Big smile. And that really took care of the problem. So it's very much a visual correction. Now there are certain situations where we might encourage you to look slightly down. Looking down will often help improve your ability to use your peripheral vision, so that you can pick up the rope as it is striking the ground. And so Shana's looking pretty much at the seam of the mat and the wall, which is about 6 feet in front of her. We would not encourage you to look down closer than that. That's going to be way too extreme, but about 6 to 10 feet is often a good marker. And that can help with certain challenges, but eventually it would be ideal if you could just gaze at eye level. And this is true in many sports. If you're, for example, just learning to dribble in basketball, kids, if you watch little kids play basketball, they're looking down, they're looking at the ball. If you watch kids or adults learning to play soccer, they're looking at their feet as they dribble. As they get more proficient, they start to look up. and then they have more options in terms of passing. And it's the same with jump rope. Once you start to look up, of course, your posture improves, your form improves, and you're able to take your skill to the next level. So, no stargazing with your jump rope, only with your telescope and your binoculars. Hope that was helpful, guys. Feel free to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, jot them down in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.